Find out here.
What is this? Severe thunderstorm.
It might be.
It's Santa Claus.
Yes, Justin, it's a thunderstorm.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Erie County, northeastern Huron County, and Lorain County until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damage to winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Wakeman to New London and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Lorain, Elyria, Wellington, Vermilion, Amherst, Grafton, North Ridgeville, Avon Lake. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Erie, Huron, and Lorain.
When did it stop making that noise?